If you're experiencing matchmaking error 2025 in FIFA 24, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back to playing without interruptions. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official EA Sports website or their social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close FIFA 24 completely and restart it. Sometimes, simply restarting the game can resolve temporary glitches that may be causing the matchmaking error. Step 3. Update your game. Ensure that FIFA 24 is updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates on your gaming platform and install them. Updates often include fixes for known issues. Step 4. Check your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to connect to other online services. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router or connecting via a wired connection. Step 5. Clear cache. If you're playing on a console, clear the cache by turning off the console, unplugging it for a few minutes, and then restarting it. For PC users, you can clear the cache by navigating to the game files and deleting the cache folder. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the matchmaking error and enjoy your gameplay. If the issue persists, consider reaching out to EA Support for further assistance.